At first draw letter V, then fill its color, its nose. Draw a straight line. Now draw number 3. After draw a straight line, then down curved line, same curved line. Now draw letter C. Now draw oval shape, and another one is same oval shape. Now draw eyeball. Draw another eyeball. Okay. Now draw inverse C, and down straight line, same way its body is straight line. Now draw its leg and another leg. Now draw a line, draw another line, draw another line. Okay. Now draw its hair is same way in another side. Okay. Now draw a pumpkin using letter U. Then draw a line, a straight line, and draw triangle shape. Draw another triangle shape. Now draw its teeth. Now draw its handle.
Dear friends, our drawing is complete. Now I am color this picture. I using orange color and draw ash color. So dear friends, if you love this video, please subscribe our channel and like, comment, share this video and enjoy this video. Thanks for watching our video.